Hi ABSS users, welcome to this step-by-step video guide on how to upgrade your product from ABSS Accounting Connect to ABSS Premier Connect. First, log into the ABSS Connect web portal. Next, navigate to the Subscription Center, which is the second icon on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Then, on the top right corner, you'll see the Upgrade Plan button. Click on it and select Data Files 1 to 5 from the options. You'll be redirected to the Stripe portal, where you can update your subscription and upgrade your product. Please note that you can upgrade up to 5 ABSS Premier Connect data files per subscription. After confirming your purchase, the payment amount will be displayed. Click Confirm to proceed with the upgrade. Then, simply refresh the ABSS Connect web portal to view your upgraded product. You can click Download Invoice to generate and save a copy of your invoice. Once all data files have been upgraded, the Data Files 1 to 5 button will no longer appear. This indicates that your data file quota has been fully used, and all files have been successfully upgraded to ABSS Premier Connect. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy the enhanced features in ABSS Premier Connect and the full suite of ABSS Connect products.